Hi, welcome back to the video on the penetration testing. One of the topics, very important topics on the penetration testing is SQL injection. Okay, the very popular tool towards the SQL injection penetration testing is the SQL map. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to have an illustration or demonstration on the SQL map on a test website that has been hosted by the Accunetics. And the website is called testphpvulnerableWeb.com. Okay. Now, how do you actually find out if the website has got the SQL injection vulnerability? There are different ways in which you can easily use an vulnerability scanner, and you can find out a particular URL where which is prone to the SQL injection attack. Otherwise, you can use the Google Docs. Okay, so URL item underscore ID equal to question mark. I'm just trying to give you, just show you the results. I'm not going to use any one of them because it could lead to a legal problem. Okay, to keep it short and sweet. Let's come into this particular site. So browse the categories, posters. Okay, and you write on the URL and numeric and place in single quote. After that, you're going to have an error. Okay, like this, then this particular link is prone for the SQL injection attack. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and get on to our beautiful Kali Linux. Sudo su to elevate myself as an root. Okay, the command is SQL map. SQL map, do a H. It's going to display you the help that is associated with it. So what an SQL map and -u for the URL. Okay, then you have to specify the URL. Then you have to look out for the databases. Database will contain the table. Tables will contain the columns, and columns will contain the data. We're clear. SQL map -u and paste this particular link. Okay, paste this particular link, and I need to look at the databases. Running. Okay, you got two databases. One is AccuAdd and the information underscore schema. Information underscore schema is actually a schema. It doesn't have a data. It's a skeleton of the database. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this AccuAdd. Okay, clear. Page up or up arrow rather. So database is D, and then AccuAdd is the database name, and I'm going to list out the tables. So you got database, you got tables, columns, and then the data. Okay, so we have got something called as an users. Okay, it could sound interesting. I'm going to choose this. Control Shift C. Okay, Control L for clearing the screen. Up arrow. T for the table, users, and I need to know the columns. Okay, we got name, pass, uname, phone, etc. So again, Control L for clearing the screen, and C. Okay, so I've got uname could be the username, pass. Okay, I want to dump this. Okay, so username, uname, and pass is test. Okay. Now this is a test site for the demonstration purpose. So doing this is absolutely fine. And if you're going to do this on the databases, your own databases that you want is also absolutely fine. But if you're going to do it to any of the websites somewhere on the internet, okay, this could lead you on to a legal problem. So let's avoid that and treat this video only for education purpose. So you do have vulnerability scanner like Accunetics or Burp Suite or Z Attack Proxy or Vega or Nicto, whatever it is, and find whether your website has got the SQL injection attack, and try to fix them. Okay, you can fix them by having a WAF or an IDPS devices, or this is actually a habit. When you develop a web application, you should ensure that you have got appropriate secure coding in place so that you're going to deal with the single quotes or any other delimiters, okay, with semicolon also. We're going to handle this programmatically. Even if you don't have a WAF and IDPS, your website is still not prone for a SQL injection attack. Thank you for watching this video, and stay connected for the further videos towards your information security and the penetration testing and the job opportunities and the information security tips. Thank you very much.